Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play with the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Palette. Vamos a jugar con esta paletita. That's the actual packaging. This comes like this, Lemonade Palette. And I'm sorry for the lighting, guys. I'm trying to adjust the light on the room and the settings on the camera. So I apologize if it's too light or too dark. But like, as you can see, I already have my base on. Ya tengo mi base. Solamente la base y concealer. I just put on the base, like the foundation and concealer. And I'm going to prime my eyelids with the PLouise base. Is this focusing? Oh no. Room War 2. And I already put some on my finger. And I'm just going to dot it on my eyelid. Me lo voy a poner aquí en el párpado. Y creo que fue muy poquito. Pero voy a agarrar una brochita, si es que la encuentro, que es un poco densa. It's a little bit dense. And I'm just going to put it all over my lid. I'm not putting that much on. It's the first time I use it, so I don't know how it's going to perform. I'm going to put that on my eye, other eye too. Okay, so I'm not going to set the base like I said. And we're going to go in with a fluffy brush. We're going to go in with the first color, which is going to be the mango one. Mango, I love mango. Hold on. Putting it right on top of the crease, like right here. And I'm going all the way in here. I'm not putting it just on the outer corner. Me voy todo el ojo. Okay, so what I'm doing again is just making sure that the color goes from here to here. Lo que hago es que el color llegue de aquí hasta acá entero. O sea, enfocándome que el color esté súper parejo en todo, en toda la, como que la cuenca del ojo. With a smaller tapered brush, a Luxie 231, I'm going to go into Sweet Tea. Sweet Tea. And I'm going to do the same thing, but just lower than the yellow. Voy a hacer exactamente lo mismo que le hice con el amarillo, pero más abajo. O sea, no tan arriba. Pero voy a seguir el mismo movimiento de hacerlo de un lado hacia otro. Regreso con el grandote al amarillo, just going back and blending those edges with mango. Now I'm going to go with a Luxie 27T, which is came in a Boxycharm luxury travel kit, and it's an angled one. Es una brochita que está angular, si la ven. Y voy a ir aquí a Chai Tea. I'm going to go into Chai Tea, and then I'm going to dip in my corner with that color. Lo voy a poner aquí en la orilla para profundizar aquí el ojo. Después de que difuminé súper bien, once I just blended out the edges with that same brush and Chai Tea, I'm going to go on Peach. Me voy a ir este color divino with my finger because it's a shimmery shade. I'm just going to go right down the middle. Ven como lo puse justo en la mitad del párpado. ¿Saben qué voy a hacer? Con este mismo Chai Tea, with that same Chai Tea, I'm just going to go on the inner corner to make it kind of like a halo eye. I was going to do something else, but no. Make sure you blend out the edges between the colors. Vamos a difuminar bien todas las orillas de los colores con la brochita. Large shadow brush. I'm going to go into Blueberry Fizz. Voy con este azul y lo voy a poner en la línea del ojo de abajo. I like how it looks. Can you guys see? I hope you can. Se ve super lindo. I'm going to grab a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe B8 one. I'm just going to go into Nude Tea. I'm going to use it as my brow bone highlight. No, I'm going to... My fingers are dirty. I'm going to go in lemon soda. this bright yellow, sparkly, beautiful color. And I'm going to put that as my inner corner highlight. BR-C08, which is a fluff pointy brush. Okay, so I think I'm ready for the lashes. Creo que ya se secaron. Y soy pésima en esto. No. I can't, guys. I just can't. I know what the hell's wrong with me. Is the lashes. I have no idea what's going on. No. No puedo decir. No puedo. O sea, realmente, después de media hora en ponerme las pestañas, no están ni bien puestas. O sea, es un lío. I was just saying that it was like half an hour to put on these lashes. And they're not even. I mean, they're not even. And it kills me. Oh! I'm using Becca Cosmetics Opal highlighter in a Luxie Precision foundation brush. I don't use this with foundation brush. I use this as a highlighter brush. I'm dropping every single shit. I don't know if it's me or the lashes or what. I just can't. Like, they look like shit. But that glow, that makes me happy. I took them off and I'm putting them back on because I'm having such an issue with the lashes. So, I'll be right back. After hours, literally hours of trying to put on my lashes, I finally kind of did it. And so honestly, I'm not in love with the lashes. They were a pain in the ass to put them on. I just put some mascara on my lower lash line and I put the Ultra Glossy Lip Neat Freak. And this is the Shayla. This is the Shayla with Colourpop Cosmetics. Honestly, this Reveal Beauty, oh my god, I'm dropping everything. This Reveal Beauty, it's amazing. This, I don't know what it is. It's the lash curler thing. It helped a lot, but still I had a lot of issues with the lashes. And I mean, the eyes look pretty good. Actually, I love the eyes. Me encantaron los ojos. Realmente están super padres, super cool. I mean, this highlighter, love. And the blush, it's pretty good. It's pretty pigmented, the Note 1. And I don't know if you can actually see it. Let me try to zoom you in on the eye. Pretty cool, right? Así se ve el ojo. La neta que es super cool, super padre. The way these blend out, like the mattes. I'm sorry, let me zoom you out now. The way that these blend out, it's really cool. The mattes are cool. So far, so good. Y pues ya, chicos, este es el video. Chicos y chicas. It's in the video, guys. This is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I know, I hope you guys like this palette. I really did. It's not a palette that I would just travel with because I think it needs kind of like more deep colors, but to have it handy, it's a really good palette. Go check it out. Go check out Christen, Dominique, and Dominique Cosmetics. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm sorry for all the mess of the video. Mil gracias por verme. Un besito. Los espero en mi próximo. Un besito y los espero en mi próximo video. Thank you. Gracias. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Mwah.